Now we're taking the spoon, heating it up. Don't put it on the foot. Yeah, no, they're not. They're not gonna do that. That was just my brain. Okay. Now we're taking the spoon and we're making it all wavy. Wow. Shave it off, and I feel like they could have done that a little bit quicker. Huh. Weird. Why are you making a little bubble in the spoon? A spubble. Okay. So we're ruining a fork for some reason. He's a big fan of forks, and he wants to destroy all of the forks. That's what I imagine is his backstory as a mega villain. Okay, we're putting some acid on this, so we're gonna solder together a few pieces of metal. Boom, boom, boom. Where is this going now? We have a little stick with little notches on it. What is the purpose? All right. So we're using a Dremel to get that nice and filed down, make it nice and smooth. This is so weird. Ah, it looks like fangs. They're making an insect. Okay. Kind of looks like a little spider or a little... Actually, it might be something with horns now that I'm looking at it. Okay, now we're making a nice little clay mold thing. Interesting. Why? It looks cool. But why? Filing this piece of metal down. I'm curious as to where this is going. Okay. A little bit of acid so that we can solder our pieces together. Polish it all up. It looks like a nice ball. Okay, that's such an interesting way to do that, but okay. Ugh, why does that look like a body part with a piece of metal sticking out of it? Nope. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, this is such... It's such a small piece of metal as well. You don't realize how much, like, accuracy that's taking. Whoa! It's a crab spider thing. Wow. That's pretty neat. And now they're bending it all up so we can get a good idea. This is part of the new Spider-Man movie prop list. Looks pretty good. I've seen worse spiders in my days. Not too shabby. And now he's making it hairy. That's gross. Cool. Okay. Wow, that's awesome. I didn't know you could do that. Okay, now we have our spider and a leg again. Wait, okay, I'm waiting. Ah, okay, so this is what maybe the spider is gonna go onto? Yep, there's the web. Kind of looks like Spider-Man, his mask, if you drew two little eyes. Nice, and now, boom, we have a weird foot thing. That is so odd. Why? Did Bro shave his leg for this? Okay. Nice. Alright, now we're ruining our tile floor for what? There's just paint everywhere. You know, 5 Minute Crafts, they've got something going on. I wonder how they come up with these ideas sometimes. Alright, they're cutting this down, a little shavy shave. So it looks like they're making some kind of shoe, potentially? This seems to be a footy video. A lot of feet in this, which is, you know, it makes sense. Because the internet loves feet. Okay. So this is gonna be a really high shoe. I'm imagining some kind of heel now. Okay, cut that off. A little bit of scraper disc. That looks dangerous. I don't want to. Big tools, that ain't for me. Have you ever used a scraper disc? Okay. So this is interesting. It looks like they're making a wooden clog heel. Would you wear one of those? I don't know. I would try it out if it fit me. Okay, nice and polished. That looks smooth, okay. All right, that looks weird. That is a super weird idea. Why would they do that? So they're gonna pull it off, get the design. Hey, that's, you know what? I was wrong. That looks cool. I'm not afraid to say when I'm wrong. I do it daily. Okay. And we got some leather bits. We're putting on some glue. Wipe that off, and now it's going around the top. I don't know if that color goes with the yellow on the bottom, but a little worried now. Okay. Now we're hammering that in. That doesn't, I don't know if that's strong enough. Is it strong enough? We need to test it with a real foot. Yeah, I don't like the yellow red combination is not for me, personally. Let me know what you guys think. And a bell, okay. Kind of cool. A little cultural appropriation there, okay. Interesting. Okay, I would give that like a, for creativity and stuff, like a 6 out of 10. I don't know, it could be. And now we have a piece of wood. Nice wood. Chip it down. What are we making now? So far we've had a couple feet, a spider for our leg. I'm imagining it's something to do with the lower body area. Hopefully we don't keep rising up. All right, we're cutting this open. Doop, doop, doop. Nice. Fabric glue. Is that sandpaper? Get it all nice and connected. And now we're sewing. All right, bang that in there. That doesn't look like it's the strongest hold with just little thumbtacks, but if that's what you got to work with, then do it. All right, that looks cool. It's a little bag, a little wooden box bag with threads, braids. That looks hard to do. I never want to do any braids. Do you guys like braids? I don't, personally. Okay, nice little, bang that in there. Okay, looks pretty good. And it's a lovely gift. Wow. And inside is the spider. She's gonna open it and be like, ah! What are you doing? No, not the foot! Why would you hammer the foot? That makes no sense. What even is that? Okay, so now we're putting tin. We're making a mold, all right? Pull out the mold. Now we have a metal foot. Lovely. Oh, why would you drill the toe? Why would you drill the toe like that? That's... this is making me uncomfortable for some reason. I have like phantom limb syndrome. Okay. Now they're sanding down the foot. All right, what are we doing here? Just a big old hole in the foot. That's where the bone's gonna go. Are we making a whole metal person? Okay. It's kind of satisfying, actually. Now it's going onto a log. All right, this is weird. They haven't studied the human anatomy enough. Okay. Chip that off. I'm very curious as to where this is going now. Okay, they're shaving down it looks like they're making a leg. They're making a wooden leg. Okay, sand it down. Alright, they're burning it. Interesting. Interesting choice. Nice. Alright, say less. And a little varnish, just to make it pop. Boom. Alright, so I'm still confused. Like, well, who is this for? What is this helping? How are we helping the world with this foot leg thing? Alright. What is it? I get it, it's you're tickling it, that's weird. Why do I feel that? It's a hammer. Okay, it's a really bad hammer. That doesn't look that good functionally.